A potential blizzard of cyber attacks and online scams is in the extended forecast when Microsoft ends the life of their most popular operating system since Windows XP. Microsoft is finally ending all support for their Windows 7 operating system on January 14, 2020. The extended forecast calls for extremely stormy conditions for those who fail to heed the warning and take the necessary measures now to ensure all computers are upgraded to the Windows 10 operating system. So, what are the risks if you choose not to upgrade to Windows 10 prior to the January 14th date? 1. Some or all of your business applications may stop being supported by your software vendors. This may include your accounting software, customer relationship management software, and other third-party applications. 2. New hardware, for example printers, scanners, and other devices, may not work with the older operating systems. 3. Hackers and scammers have their eyes set to exploit vulnerabilities in Windows 7 since Microsoft will no longer offer updates and patches to fix any issue. Avoid putting yourself and your business at risk. Speak with one of our computer services professionals now, and we'll put an upgrade plan together to help your organization move from Windows 7 to Windows 10 and avoid any potential hazards due to the nasty upcoming weather conditions in IT.